So I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. I'm doing my makeup tonight just because it's been a while. So these are the brushes that I'm gonna be using mainly for my whole look. It's Morphe M441, Morphe M124, and then Morphe 321, and then just this Wet n Wild brush. The first color that I'm gonna use is this dark color right here, named Benny. So I'm gonna start with the dark brown Benny with this brush in the crease. I'm just trying to blend it out as best as I can. So this is what it looks like so far. I just went over with this brush. It'll look a lot better once we continue adding colors and stuff. So the next color that I'm going to use is the orange shade 518 from the James Charles palette with this same Morphe brush 321. I'm just going to go a little bit above the crease and then just blend both colors out. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. So now we're gonna add the same dark brown Benny color and pack it onto the eyelid with this brush and probably one of the other brushes just to pack it on the lid. So I have my M24 brush with the color Benny on it. I'm just gonna pack it on my eyelid. On top of the light orange color 518, I added the darker orange color. I did the same thing to the bottom, and now I'm going to add Benny to the bottom as well. Okay, and now I'm just going to blend everything with this Morphe M441 brush. So this is what it looks like so far. The last eyeshadow color that I'm going to be using is this pretty shimmery light blue color called Hello. I'm going to be putting it in my inner crease right here. I'll show you how I do it right now. Also, this is my first time doing this makeup look. I'm going to give a shout out to the girl that I got this makeup look from. She does really pretty eyeshadow looks. I saw this video that she did with using these colors and I really liked it, so I'm trying it out today. But I just wanted to mention that before I forgot. So it's this pretty blue color here. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same M321 brush that I've been using. I'm gonna get the color Hello. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara, curl my eyelashes and put mascara. And then I'm going to attempt to put these Miami lashes on. I never wear lashes. I wore them one time and like they were kind of bugging my eyes, so like it was kind of uncomfortable, so I don't know if I should get used to it or what, but I'm gonna try it just for fun. Why not? They were expensive and I never wear them, so I'm gonna put those on, and then I'm gonna do my lips, and then I'll see you in a little bit. This is how my makeup came out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.